Hello and welcome to Retrocore AV, and this is the first time we are going to take a look at a cassette tape. Now I have quite a few of Japanese exclusive cassette tapes to take a look at, and this is going to be the first one. This is the TDK CDing 4. Apparently only released in Japan. This particular tape came from the 1993 era of cassettes, and as you can see, it features one of those weird slim type cases. Not to everyone's taste, but you know, some people do like them. Now, according to this, in the old rating of the TDK CDing, we have the AE at the bottom, and then CDing 1, CDing 2, which I used to use a lot in the UK, and then CDing 4 over here. But the truth is that this happens to be a pretty entry-level metal cassette. Yes, it's not up there at the high end. This is a basic entry-level metal cassette, or at least in TDK standards it is. So yeah, let's get this open and see what the actual housing on the cassette is like. I don't know if I'm going to get this thing. Nope. Are we going to get this? Yeah, we've got this strip open there. Let's get rid of that. And can we slide this out? No, we can't. We're going to have to destroy it, aren't we? Good job, I got a few of these. There we go. Okay, so straight away, the very first thing you'll notice, which is kind of weird, is the cassette opens this way. Yeah, how about that for weird? And yeah, this seems to be kind of marked with the printing from the wrapper. Yeah, can you see that? You can see the 64 minutes logo up there. Or 54 minutes was that? Yeah, 54 minute logo. You can still see it on the cassette. Weird. Hope you can see that. Okay, well anyway, let's take a look at the actual cassette itself. And yes, it's just a standard clear shell. Nothing particularly special there. In fact, you can tell it's one of the newer TDKs because it's got the exclamation mark at the end of the TDK. Let's take a look at the actual cassette itself. So you can see we got the red striped leader in there. And there we go, there's the cassette tape. Can you see that? So it is a pretty nice dark color. It's a nice bordering on charcoal blackish there. So we'll see. Okay, how about the actual J card? Well, yeah, it's a very strangely shaped J card, as you can tell, due to the strangely shaped casing. Yeah, nothing on that side, very plain. And on this side, yeah, as plain as you can get, really. Nothing special there. And the stickers. Well, I like the way they've given us a choice of stickers. We've got plain old stickers, and we've got stickers with the CDing logo on them. And as was common at the time, we've also got the tape lengths that this tape is available in. Nice. Okay, let's bung this into the machine and see how good it actually records. Okay, so we're going to be using the Sony KA3ES. And yes, I know it's not the ultimate in hi-fi decks, but this channel is not about the super snooty audiophiles. This is about the average person who wants good sound from their equipment, and this machine is certainly going to get it. So I've already calibrated up the deck, got the volume level, recording levels set, the bias, recording EQ and recording level all done. So we're going to be using some music from a Mega CD game. This is Jaguar XJ220, and this is the Japanese version with a lovely lenticular cover. Look at that, didn't get down the English one. Nice stuff. Okay, so let's get a bit close up there, take a look at the readings while it's all recording, and let's check out this tape and see how good it actually is, or how bad it actually is, since it is meant to be bottom of the range. And we'll connect this directly up to the camera so you get a direct feed. And maybe I could have pushed that a little bit harder. Anyway, let's go back to the desk. So yeah, considering this is meant to be TDK's entry-level metal cassette, I thought it sounded pretty good, didn't you? I mean, it was peaking at +2 there at some points. I didn't hear any dropouts. And yeah, I mean, not bad at all actually. It had the bass in there, had the high end, and I think I could have pushed it a little bit more. But yeah, not a bad cassette. Not bad at all. It's only got the 4 screws in it. It's missing the center one, so it is the slightly cheap case. Thickness of the case, well, yeah, nothing too special. I don't know, it's sturdy enough, I guess. Nothing amazing. I'm just not too keen about these weird slimline cases. I mean, it's only shaving up a few millimeters, if that. And it's all scratched as well. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but look at that. And that was factory sealed when we opened it. Anyway, there we have it, the TDK CDing 4 Japanese exclusive cassette. Now, if you're probably wondering if this video was very similar to another format you've seen on the internet, well, that's because it is. It's directly inspired by Tony's Comeback Cassettes. He has his own website, comebackcassettes.com, where you can buy all sorts of cassettes, you know, European imports, whatever. He has them all. He doesn't have many Japanese ones, but then again, it's because they cost a fortune here in Japan, and with the exchange rates, it probably isn't feasible. But anyway, if you've never seen Tony's show, I really do recommend you go and check it out. There's a link in the video description down below, and we'll be taking a look at more cassettes, Japanese only cassettes, in the coming weeks and months, depending on how many I can get my hands on. Okay, until next time guys, enjoy your audio, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.